Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza from Italy. Last day we came to know that all the US and NATO forces have returned back home because it was the last day of the evacuation of these forces from Afghanistan. But this is not the truth. This is not a complete truth. The reality is that what we were told is a half truth. The reality is that all these forces, all these troops have not returned back home, but few of them have stopped in Pakistan. Why a few of US and NATO troops have stopped in Pakistan? How long they will stay? Why they are staying in Pakistan? And if they are not going to back home, what will happen? These are the questions. Actually, these are the questions have been raised by former Senator Chairman and senior PPP leader Raza Rabbani has asked how many US and NATO troops have been granted visa. This is the first question he has asked. Actually, because the part of government and the foreign office, no statement has been issued about the presence of the US and NATO soldiers coming from Afghanistan and staying in Pakistan. So such kind of rumors. In a statement, he questioned how long US and NATO troops would stay in Pakistan. The PP senator further said that is there any guarantee that the American troops coming from Kabul to Islamabad will leave Pakistan? This is the very important question which had been raised by the Sarabani. He said that the government should inform the parliament on this issue. Not only the parliament have also a question: is the government playing a double game? What double game with whom? With the US or with the Taliban? This is a very important question. While Raza Rabbani has asked the government to inform the parliament, but the government has also responsibility not to inform the parliament, but before the parliament, to the people, to the masses, the common people, the government should inform why US and NATO troops are staying in Pakistan and how long and with what purpose is also to be known, and the people have the right to know. And the reality is that if government could issue statement on this issue before, at the moment when they were last day or before the last day when they came in Pakistan, it was the duty of the foreign office to inform or release a statement on the presence of the US and or NATO troops in Pakistan. So let's see what happens about this issue. What will happen next? We will inform you. Stay tuned with us. Till then, goodbye.